Sajni?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Prani, will you recite the prayer, please? Zoroastrian prayer. Okay, Ramesh, the Christian prayer, please. Ramesh, please recite the Christian prayer.
Start. Email ID.
But I can't WebEx છે.
WebEx છે.
अच्छा
I can hear you,
email ID
Prani.
શું? હવે કોણ લોડ કરું? કોઈ આવ્યું નહીં ને પેલું.
Prani, I can hear you.
એક second.
Okay, Ramesh, the Christian prayer, please. Unmute yourself. Can't hear you.
Sajni, I can say it if you want.
Okay, please say it. Yes, yes, go ahead and say it. Thank you.
Father, art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we trespass those who forgive us. We forgive those who trespass us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, power and glory, now.
Thank you so much. Okay, Frani, one more last chance. Are you able to unmute and say the prayer? Frani? I think she has some
She's
issues.
left the meeting, no?
She's left and someone's slow. Okay, so now we will have an introduction to the speaker by Mr. Gulu Advani. Gulu?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the school, I welcome Mr. Pawan Kumar for today's session. Mr. Pawan Kumar, perhaps quite a few of us already know him, has been coming to this school for a good number of years and entertaining us with his beautiful songs. But what I did not know is that he is also a senior professional with many years of experience in various subjects, including mergers and acquisitions across various domains. When it comes to his singing, we have all been hearing him since nearly 8 to 9 years. And today he is going to take us through a Suhana Safar, which what we would call as a pleasing, a beautiful travel or a journey full of songs. And I suppose it will be a good musical journey. So let's welcome Mr. Pawan Kumar for today's session.
Thank you, Gulu. And now it's over to you, Pawan.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Guluji, Sajni ji, and all the people, all my friends present in this forum. It's more of a pleasure for me to be part of a satsang like this and share what I do it on a regular basis, that is spreading happiness through music. That's why I call it as Suhana Safar, because even if I sing a song that is sad song, I would want to make it very, very, very enjoyable so that they relate to the song. My program today, or the session today, I named it as Suhana Safar, just to show the importance of how music plays a wonderful part in our life. See, I'm sure that all of you who have seen many moons and many suns and the stars here more than me will understand and know that music has been part of our life from tough times to good times to not so good times, and you name it, everything that comes with time, music has been a part. There are times when music actually helps you change your mood. You will be down, but suddenly you will feel, I hear a song that I can relate to. You will forget that and then jump into singing that song along with where it is originating from. Joy, cheerfulness, friends, fighting friends, or appreciating God, from bhajans to everything. Music plays a wonderful, wonderful part in our life's journey, right from birth to our eternal journey. I am sure all of you understand and all of you have experienced this. And the 3 or 4 important things that I would want to tell before I start on the singing journey is that music can make us be very creative, can change our mood. And sometimes when we are working and we work long hours and with music next to us, we see that our productivity has been very high. And music makes many of the things that we do, even while sports or in the gym, when the teenagers are in the gym or at parties, music is definitely one part. I'm sure everybody agree. So in today's journey, I would take you through few of the moods. And the first one, of course, which everybody would want to, which you can see on my screen, is that how we praise the Lord, or how we all relate to music and God. So with your permission, I will go to the first song, which is a bhajan. And I'm sure each one of you can see the lyrics there. And if you can also sing there, absolutely fine. It will be wonderful to have you also singing with me. And maybe the people around you can enjoy that. So can I start my singing? Any one of you can just give me a consent and then I'll go forward. And thank you so much for joining and making this Thursday evening a wonderful evening. Suhana Safar with all of us. So Sajini ji, can I start the first song?
Yes, thank you. Please start.
Okay. So this is one of Jagjit Singh's best bhajans, and I'm sure many of you are Sai Bhakts will understand, and wonderful to have you also join me. So I'm starting my first song of the day. विधाता तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता तू ही सुबह तू ही है शाम I'm sure all of you would have really enjoyed this bhajan and we all relate to it.
Very
So
nice.
Thank you so much.
Very nice. Thank you, Pavan.
My pleasure. Going on from the bhajans, I think every aspect of our life is touched by music, especially after birth of a child. Most of the time we hear mothers singing lullabies. But there are a few instances where in the movies, especially in the Hindi movies, the older Hindi movies, they have shown some wonderful feelings of how a father can sing a lovely lullaby for a child. My next song is going to be one such one, which I am sure many of you would have sung this, liked it, and then you would have heard many people sing and remembered one gentleman called as Mahmood. He enacted beautifully in this. So my next song is a beautiful song which will make each one of you recollect your early stages where you would have picked up your child and as father or mother or brother or sister, you would have definitely felt like or definitely would have sung this song. So this is my second song to all the parents who have brought up the children wonderfully and all the children, if they are listening, they'll really know how parents feel about their children. So I'll go to my next song. So this is going to be a treat for all of you to recollect your early days of when you're a parent. Chanda oh chanda, chanda oh chanda, kisne churaye teri meri nindiya, saari saari rehna, tere meri rehna, saari saari rehna, tere meri rehna. मैं तेरा मैं पहला मेरे आंसू मगर किसे मैं दिखाऊं मैं तेरा मैं पहला मेरे आंसू मगर किसे मैं दिखाऊं मैंने तो गुजारा जीवन सारा बेसहारा हो सारी सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना चंदा ओ चंदा चंदा ओ चंदा किसने चुराई तेरी मेरी निंदिया जागी सारी रहना तेरे मेरे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना तेरी और मेरी एक कहानी हम दोनों की कदर किसने न जानी तेरी और मेरी एक कहानी हम दोनों की कदर किसने न जानी साथी ये अंधेरा जैसे मेरा वैसे तेरा हो, साथी सारे रहना तेरे मेरे नैना। चंदा ओ चंदा, चंदा ओ चंदा, किसने चुराई तेरी मेरी निंदिया, साथी सारे रहना तेरे मेरे नैना, साथी सारे रहना तेरे मेरे नैना। I
Thank you.
hope,
Very nice.
thank you very much. And was the audio correct, and is it all fine?
Yes, yes, it's fine.
Great. Yeah.
Thank you.
After the immediate early stages of life, kids generally look up to their parents as to how will they guide us. In a very memorable movie, Kishore Kumar had actually enacted the father, the role of a very perfect and a loving father, and actually had his son, who is currently also a good singer, Amit Kumar, as a child, as challenged child. I'm sure that many of you would have heard this again. You will relate to it. It's a father actually showing the way as to how a child should be. So I'm singing another one just for you. I'll sing half of it. हाँ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसी गगन के तले, जहाँ हम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार है प्यार पले। हाँ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसी गगन के तले, जहाँ हम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसी गगन के तले। सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धूप घोर अंधेरा भागे, कभी धूप निकले, किसी डगर न पड़े, जहाँ हम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। Thank you. Just to keep singing more songs, I will do one mukda, one antara, so that you can listen to more memorable songs. I hope you're all okay with that. Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because in complete silence is there, I will not know whether I am audible or.
No, I had to unmute myself first, so that's why.
Wonderful. I think once we pass the early the thing, then we go to the high school, the college, and then we have our troubles of fighting with friends, and then rootna, manana, ye sab hota hai. How many of you remember a movie which Amitabh Bachchan and Amjad Khan had acted as friends? Because in the first movie, Sholay, they were katta dushman, as you all know, in movies, Sholay. But in another movie, there's a lovely friendship between them. And one such song is actually a complaint to the God, saying that my friend is actually angry with me, usko mana le. So the next song that I'm going to sing, which again is kind of very, very fast-paced bhajan, but more towards complaint to a God, saying that I love my friend and I want you to consider my prayer to you and make sure that he understands and does not get angry with me. So this is one such song. So please enjoy. ओ भोले दिल टूटा मेरे यार को मना दे वो प्यार दिल जगा दे मेरे यार को मना दे वो प्यार दिल जगा दे भोले ओ भोले उसको नहीं पहचान है मेरी जिसको हूँ वो जान है मेरी उसको नहीं पहचान है मेरी प्यार मेरा तू जाने मेरे यार को मना दे वो प्यार दिल जगा दे भोले ओ भोले Again, as I said, I will sing one antra, one mukda, and going from one part of our life journey with music to another one. So, couple of sentences from any one of you as to how you're feeling. Is the audio perfect? Is the video perfect? Are you enjoying this? Anything that I can do?
Very good, sir. Very perfect. And we
Very
are
perfect.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Pavan. We're all enjoying
Pleasure,
it.
pleasure.
Party swaying to the music.
Wonderful,
I
wonderful.
am. I'm enjoying every
Absolutely wonderful.
moment.
new year as well.
And New Year is going to be dhamal, Swati. Today is only the curtain raiser, as I told you. We'll just have
So this session only we are in that mood.
I wish 31st was tomorrow. So I think, as I told you, once you go to the college, friendship, everything, the next part, maybe any one of you can tell what is the next thing that happens generally when we are college. We all know. I don't know how many of you will speak out,
Fall
but
in
I'll say, Sajini ji, thank you very much. The first love, and then you go, and then it is definitely a wonderful feeling that when you meet somebody, you actually tell them about their beauty and everything. So if it is also with a kind of season where it is barish ho rahi hai, mehfil jami hai, and then you have a lovely song coming up from somebody who is telling you that, yeah, I like you, or I would like, I'm in love with you. This song that I'm going to sing will actually bring that mood into you. So nowadays it is raining, unseasonal, seasonal. So hear this lovely song
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ
and you have a wonderful time.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಸ್
Unmute please mute yourself. Some of you.
जिंदगी रे सावन सुलग सुलग आए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिर सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिर सावन जब घुंघरूओं से बजती है बूंदें, हर बाह हमारे हल्के नमूने। जब घुंघरूओं की बजती है बूंदें, हर माह हमारे हल्के नमूने। कैसे देखे सपने नयन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिर सावन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल भूल रहा है इस अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल भूल रहा है आए करे अब क्या सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये रिमझिम गिर सावन सुलग सुलग जाए भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिमझिम गिर सावन। I'm sure this song would have kindled memories of many of my friends in this forum. Yes.
It did
Yeah.
mine at least.
Thank you very much for the honest confession, I would say. Lovely to hear that, sir.
And I sang along as much as I could.
Wonderful, wonderful. The reason I bring out lyrics is that I want everybody to enjoy, join in while they're sitting there. They can also sing. It's not that I only have to sing. It'll be wonderful. So even when the school also, many of the time, I tell everybody, come and join me. Let us all sing together. There is together. And that's a very powerful place where many people are singing together. If you look at whether it is our shlokas which are read in the temples, I think there's an energy created when more people sing. So that's how I actually want to always have my shows. Thank you, sir. Thank you for singing along.
I've been singing along from the first song, but muting it. So, yeah.
Unmute yourself, Malti.
Thank you, Gulu. I still don't have that much of guts, but anyway, okay, maybe.
But anyway, like I said, there are so many things. In fact, conversationally, the songs are there where a male and a female both sing and answer each other. And then there are times when the hero sings such a lovely romantic song that the whole theater, if there are people watching in a theater, most of them would actually feel very happy about it. I'll just take a sip of water and I'm sure everybody remembers that in movies, when Gurudutt used to make movies, he would actually bring out some wonderful, wonderful songs that would make you feel so good. And especially the ladies would feel when they, the better half or the would-be better half would be singing this. So I am going to sing one such song. चाँदवी का चाँद जो हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो चाँदवी का चाँद हो आफताब हो Guruji, was this also something that you liked and you also recollected?
Of course.
Ramesh is also on the keeping very silent. Usually he says something. Ramesh, any comment? As I told you earlier, while this kind of songs were very popular, there were also times when duets became female voice. The actual female singer's voice is already there, and I'm going to have my voice along with that, and it looks it in the school, but it will also make you very happy because these kind of songs Shammi Kapoor was a master at, and I'm sure this particular song you will definitely know and enjoy singing with me. Please do that wherever you are. Mute, unmute, both is okay, but please sing with me. तेरे मेरे प्यार की तुझे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। तो प्यार ने ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। Was that enjoyable? Where you had a female singer also, even though she's not sitting next to me, huh? Giving me company. That so that you don't feel that only one male voice is coming. I thought let me also add this into the program.
Well, anyway,
Wonderful.
I'm unmuted for some time, so I don't know if anybody would hear me,
Sir,
but
even
anyway,
we
I
will
sang
sing,
along.
sir.
I sang
Very
along.
wonderful, wonderful. So then, after all these kind of nutcut time in the college and everything, when you become serious and then you want to get into the next level, you get into a job, then of course it is the parents who force you or you ask you, goad you into getting married. And one of the most famous songs, in fact, friends dance along singing, आज मेरे यार की शादी है, आज मेरे यार की शादी है, लगता है जैसे सारे संसार की शादी है. All those things, but and I'm sure that you all know what I'm referring to. Can any one of you tell me which song is the next one that I would be singing? Because at marriage, after everything, the final thing is the bidai. So any guesses that what would be the next one? Anyway, this is just
to give a clue
Babul-
at least. Clue. You should
Is
give
it
some
Babul
clues.
Ki Dua?
I already
Babul
have
Ki
given it.
Duai?
Babul ki duai.
Yes, you are right. So this is for all the people who cry, who rejoice both at Bidai. बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले मैं के भी ना याद आए ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले. नाज़ों से तुझे पाला मैंने कलियों की तरह फूलों की तरह बचपन में झुलाया है तुझको बाहों ने मेरी झूलों की तरह मेरे बाग की ये नाजुक डाली तुझे हर पल नई बहार मिले मैं कि कभी ना याद आए ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले. जिस घर से बंधे हैं भाग तेरे उस घर में सदा तेरा राज रहे होठों पे हंसी की धूप खिले माथे पे खुशी का दाग रहे कभी जिसकी जोत ना होती थी तुझे ऐसा रूप सिंगार मिले मैं के कभी ना याद आए ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले. I hope many of you remembered the time when they have done the bidai. गुलजी आप बोलिए कुछ बोलिए अच्छा लगता है आपसे सुनने. Well, I will go to the next part of the segment. As I told you, today's is Suhana Safar. So we have touched many points of the how in the early day we do bhajans, and then the kids, then the journey towards the being the teenagers, the love songs, the college life, and then the serious life. You get married, then you actually look out to do a good job that will support yourself, your spouse, your parents, and your children, future children, everything. And some of us travel outside India or outside the country and then spend some time there with the intention of making sure that our children and all the family members are very happy. They go doing making some sacrifices, making sure that everybody in the family rise up to the next level in their life. So once they go there, one of the things that they miss is being regularly connected. And in a movie which was very famous with Sanjay Dutt and I think Kumar Gaurav acted, you could see one of our miss their children who have gone abroad. This particular thing that I am going to sing, again, I'll sing only one Mukda and one Antra because it's a very, very lengthy song. But I'm sure if some of you have sent their children abroad and they are there and you are here, sometimes you definitely feel that you would miss them. And this is the kind of message that would go to them. And I'm sure this particular song is some everybody's favorite. So this my next song is going to be Chitti Aayi Hai. I'm sure you all know of this singer as well as the song. So let's quickly go through this and then we'll go to the next segment. चिट्ठी आई है 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 चिट्ठी बड़े दिनों के बाद ये बच्चों को बड़े दिनों के बाद ये बच्चों ऊपर मेरा नाम लिखा अंदर मेरे चिट्ठी आई है चिट्ठी आई है वतन से चिट्ठी आई है. So this is one segment which I actually touches my heart because when I see some of the parents, I go to many places to perform. They'll be talking about my son or my daughter is in the US and or in Australia or in the UK. They will like these kind of songs. They like songs. They like ghazals. So I enjoy singing these kind of songs to make sure that we relate to certain aspects of our life. Somewhere it would have touched us. So these are the things that that is the power of music. I would say every feeling that we have, everything that we do, somehow or the other, can be connected to music. Of course, you can, today though, I think we have WhatsApp, you just do a voice message and send it. But in movies, especially to captivate a large audience, and sometimes you would have seen that in a movie theater, there'll be 300 to 400 people, all of them singing in unison when the good song comes up. That's the power of music. Sometimes in concerts, you can see a song which is very slow, not even a rock or a hard rock kind of song sung by one either Kishore Kumar or Mukesh or any one of them, but the whole crowd would have joined with them in singing that song. There are many such songs. Each one of them, when you listen to them, you'll feel so happy. So my next song would actually be something similar to it, and it will make everybody feel really good. When we are talking to our spouses and then we want to share something, we usually say this Janam Janam ka saath hai. Hamara whatever we have got married and Hamara Janam Janam ka saath hai. So there's one song, again, Mohammad Rafi Sahab has done a lot of justice to it. I'll again sing this song just to say that a lot of things happen, especially when you're, as I told you, we are away, we are in a different country, then it has a husband, wife, and the children, because other countries we know how lifestyle is. So here, when a husband or a wife is singing this song, it will be so nice to hear. So I'm singing this song for all the wonderful couples out there. साथ है निभाने को सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए प्यार अमर है दुनिया में प्यार कभी नहीं मरता है प्यार अमर है दुनिया में प्यार कभी नहीं मरता है मौत बदन को आती है रूह का जलवा रहता है जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए This is how I think we celebrate each other when we are together, when we are in love, and the spouse is also very, very lonely. These are the kind of songs that make them go one step higher in their thinking that yes, love is a wonderful and eternal thing. So I just want to ask Sajni ji one question. Sajni ji, till what time I have, because as per the thing it is 7:30. So do I
We
have?
can go on. We close at
Okay.
8 o'clock, so
So
you
that-
can go on for
wonderful,
another 20
wonderful.
minutes.
Thank you so much. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will now get into another kind of song, which is inspiration. See, a lot of songs provide us inspiration. We all would have heard songs which the military would have in movies which depict the military force of India, the army and the jawans and everybody they sing. But there are some other songs which are picturized on good actors, and when they show that particular singer singing an inspirational song, it becomes like an anthem. There was a time when Amitabh Bachchan was ruling the entire film industry, and one such movie itself is called as Mukaddar Ka Sikandar. I'm sure this particular song is definitely inspirational, because some of the sentences that actually are written are so inspirational that you can take it and say, yeah, whenever I'm feeling down, I can actually relate to this song. So my next song is, it is the truth of life. This particular song is the truth of life. So let's do this and feel inspirational. होते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा, वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, जाने मन कहलाएगा। रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा। वो सिकंदर क्या था जिसने जुल्म से जीता जहां, वो सिकंदर क्या था जिसने जुल्म से जीता जहां, प्यार से जीते दिलों को वो झुका दे आसमां, जो सितारों पर कहानी प्यार की लिख जाएगा, वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, जाने मन कहलाएगा। होते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा। I hope that was inspirational, and I'm sure you would have gone back to a different world where you could picturize Amitabh sitting on that bike, riding on the great streets of Mumbai with a very colorful attire. Then you say, yeah, I think what he's saying is right. Zindagi is like this. Jo Mukaddar ka Sikandar wo banta hai, jo he can really feel everything is that, okay, something happened, I'll overcome it. And I think the last 2 years, all of us have done the same thing, especially during the time which was hard. And we have overcome that. So we have rewritten our Mukaddar. We have been very diligent. And I advise all of you, be very careful. And I will sound like Amitabh Bachchan now. Please wear your masks, wash your hands regularly, use sanitizer wherever you go, keep safe social distancing, make sure that we all do things so that on 31st when we meet, we really enjoy our time. So that's the whole point. So the next one I would say is a song which again will make lots and lots of people who are reminiscing, or rather recollecting their yesteryears, and having spent many years with the family, the spouses would love to sing this song. So Guluji, this one I will dedicate to you, and I'm sure you will enjoy singing this. And Malati ji, you can actually know that you would have listened to this song many times at home. So you can sing along, even if you put on your, you unmute yourself and do it also, it's good. So Guruji, this song is for
Okay.
you. Malti ji, for you also.
Thank you very much, Pawan.
Thanks so much, Pawan.
You listen to this, then you will know. Oi, 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 oi. मेरी जोर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जोहर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं ये शौकिया ये बाकपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान So Guruji, Madhiji,
Wonderful.
thanks for joining.
Wonderful.
This I'm sure you will definitely be singing more from
Very
today.
much. I remember the movie Waqt. I remember Balraj Sahani. I remember
Super.
Achla Sachdev.
Super, sir, super. This is
Amazing
something that
memory,
is
Gulu.
Sorry?
I said amazing memory.
It was a wonderful movie. The title was Waqt. That's the life, you know. How the life takes a turn.
Absolutely. So while we are looking at what is happening around the world, and we recently also saw our CDS Bipin Rawat ji, who passed and attained eternal bliss. Unfortunate accident, but yes, I have a lot of respect for our armed forces. They do so much for us, and sometimes we we just actually let it go, saying that okay, when it comes to us, let us see. But they are the ones who are protecting us, protecting India. Lot of respect to them. And there is one song which is, I think, in the 60s, where Dharmender, Balraj Sahni ji, and all of them had acted in this particular movie. The way they tell that we have done our part, and aage aap dekh lo, because they were almost in the edge of attaining death because of the war and the other side where they were attacked and killed. So this one song, I would definitely, as a mark of respect to all our armed forces, I want to sing this. And again, as I said, silently you can also sing among yourself. This is a respect to our heroes, some of them who are fallen heroes. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तुम साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों सांस थमती गई नब्ज जमती गई फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया कर गए सर हमारे तो कुछ हम नहीं सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया मरते मरते रहा वाकपन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तुम साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों The more I sing, the more emotional we'll all become. But this was the tribute that I had to give to our great people who are actually guarding the nation in difficult circumstances and making sure that we all actually sleep well. So when they sleep well, there's one song that always comes to mind. Can anybody take a guess? It is again the Mohammad Rafi song. And most of the time in most of the mehfils or even at home when somebody says sleep, we talk about it. It is the onset of night. Anybody can guess this song? I promise I won't put you to sleep, but this is a song that Guluji, anything that you can recollect? Can you tell me which song it might be? Sajini ji, any one of you can answer so that I know that it is audible.
Give me a hint.
Suhani. I don't remember.
Suhana Safari.
Ramesh, there you go.
Right?
Finally.
Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Ramesh likes this song. You are absolutely right, sir. So I will sing the full song so that we all enjoy it. And Ramesh likes this song every time we both sing this when we are at the school. So Ramesh, you can please join in from there.
Oh, I'll be happy to.
सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे जहाँ की रुत बदल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे नजारे मौसमे बहार में चला है मौसमे बहार में, मौसमे बहार में हवा भी रुख बदल चुकी, ना जाने तुम कब आओगे, सुहानी रात ढल चुकी, ना जाने तुम कब आओगे, जहाँ की रुत बदल चुकी, ना जाने तुम कब आओगे, सुहानी रात ढल चुकी, ना जाने तुम कब आओगे.
Very nice.
What a lovely song.
Very
Thank you,
nice.
Ramesh. Thanks for
Beautiful.
joining, Guluji. Wonderful. I think I have time for one more song, so that after
Yes.
that we can do. So what do? We do a slow song, we do a different kind of song, or we do a inspirational song, which you all know.
Peppy song, peppy song.
Uh-huh. No, Peppy.
He's in a
Pep-
peppy mood.
Peppy song is only on the floor on 31st. Today is. No, I think we have done some good songs. So let us do something which will keep us in a happy mood, and we go back and spend the rest of the day trying to look at, oh, what else could we have sung? But yeah, this is a good song that we can end up with. So I will do a patriotic song, which will make India proud. I think whatever we are doing, there's a lot of good things that we are doing, and we should be proud of India. So here I am going to talk Manoj Kumar's, or I'll sing the Manoj Kumar song as a thing, and we will all feel happy while singing song. Again, it is
Meri
something
desh
that
ki
you all.
dharti. Is that it?
No, that is a dancing number. I know you would say that, Madhuji. Okay, so I will skip the starting part, but I will go through the. You can all sing the song, please, with me.
क्यों हो गए? और सुनाओ.
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा. काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है. कुछ और नहीं आता हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है. जिस मान चुकी सारी दुनिया हो, जिस मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा जीते हो किसी तो इश्क का हमने तो दिलों को जीता है जहाँ राम अभी तक है नर में नारी में अभी तक सीता है इतने पावन हैं लोग जहाँ इतने पावन हैं लोग जहाँ नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला भारत की बात जीवन का नदियों को भी जहाँ माता कह के बुलाते भारत का रहने वाला भारत की बात सुनाता है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा Thank you so much for patiently hearing me all this time. I hope you all had a good time and you're carrying some wonderful memories. So this is what music does to us, right from the early stage of our life to what we are today and what we are going to be in future. Every aspect has been touched by music. And this was my tribute to every person who is associated with music and all the listeners, because all musicians need wonderful people like you to be the audience. So thank you and namaskar for being a wonderful audience. I really humbly, I always want to come to the school, which Sajini ji and everybody I keep telling. More than anything, 31st is for me, synonymous with one thing, being at the school. Last year we missed, but this year no. So thank you very much, everyone here. Wonderful. I'm very glad and I was part of this satsang today. So thank you everyone here.
Thank you very
Please
much.
see the
So much,
chat if you are
Pawan
not
ji.
already
It was
seen.
wonderful.
Chat.
It was really wonderful. The whole journey was wonderful. Is there anyone who would like to say something? Please unmute yourself and say so.
It was a great program. Congratulations to Pawan Kumar, Sajani, and all those who are responsible for organizing this wonderful program. Thank you. We can have it at least every quarter.
Thank you, Janaki Ramji. I'll be more than happy to be of service to everyone at the school.
And it literally raised at least my spirits, and I was enjoying myself.
Thank you.
Pawan.
Thank you.
It was really wonderful. And you must be wondering, what is this that Pawan keeps saying, 31st? Well, the school has organized a small program on the 31st, but because of COVID, it's going to be limited numbers. So if anyone is interested, kindly call the school, speak to Aniket or speak to Swati. Okay, it starts at 5 o'clock on Saturday. a lot of people. There's instrumental music, there's English songs, Hindi songs, storytelling by Geeta Ramanujam, then cartoon, learning how to draw cartoons from Sridhar. So lots of people are there. There are two people who will be dancing. So we've put this together. However, it will not come out on the SOAW, WhatsApp, because we cannot accommodate too many people. So those who are interested in this particular group, kindly call someone at the school, Aniket or Swati. So thank you so much. And with this,
There is also a musical family, a father, mother,
daughter,
and son. Son plays the tabla, is only 4 years old. The daughter will probably sing, the mother dances Bharatanatyam, and the father is going to play the instruments. Very interesting.
all of them are going to perform. Right, we'll come out with a brochure, and only those who are interested may ask for the brochure, okay? As I said, it's limited. Last year we had it online. This year we are limiting it to very few, people. So with that, we've come to the end of a wonderful musical journey. And I now hand it over to Ramesh to propose the vote of thanks, as well as the Loka Samasta. Over to you, Ramesh.
Thanks, Sajani. Thank you so much, Pavanji. Sorry, I couldn't say anything earlier. My audio wasn't working. I fixed that now. But nonetheless, in fact, I felt like joining you right from the beginning. The songs were lovely. It takes us down memory lane. And as ever, I think songs have a quality of uplifting people and shifting our conscious from the normal humdrum day to day to something higher. So thank you for allowing your lovely voice to uplift all of us. And we look forward to seeing you again on the New Year's. And probably
Absolutely.
sing along with you on the New Year's Day at the school.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to that.
So on that joyous note, let us all sit straight with our back, neck, and head aligned. Let's allow the Pranashakti to flow through us in this manner. As we all join hearts, come together and say a prayer for the well-being of our communities, for the well-being of our School of Ancient Wisdom, and for a glorious and powerful future in accordance with Mama Manize's vision. And also to all the people who need healing, who need love and upliftment. Please join me in this. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Tat Sat Brahmarpanamastu.
Thank you everyone for being with us. Next week, we have Veena Gyanu Satish, and she is a cancer survivor, and she's going to tell us how she has been able to do this. A very brave person, a wonderful talk. So I'd like all of you to come and also to bring other people along. Okay. And we look forward to all of you next Thursday at our satsang, and also those of you who are interested to come for the New Year program. Thank you. Good night. And thanks once again, Pavan Kumar.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you very much. All of you have a great evening. And we will meet very soon in person.
Thank you.
Good night,
Good night, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank Swati, thank you very much. And Aniket for being with me while the initial session. Special thanks to both Aniket and Swati. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
Pleasure. Okay. Right.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Yeah.